Hey guys, welcome to another React Native tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to implement infinite scroll using flatlist. So I have a bare React Native project set up, and for this tutorial, we will be using the Unsplash as the image source. So the base URL is source.unsplash.com/random, which receives a query param called sig, where we can give a number starting from 1 to get the random images. So let's create a list of those numbers. So let's create a state, set data, use state. Now let's render those images based on URL. For this, let's create a flat list. We are importing it from React Native. Let's set the data as the data. Let's set the random item function to render the images. Extract the item, return an image, and let's import image from React Native. Image, and let's set the source of the image as the URI, which is equal to the base URI plus the item, as the item will be 1 2 3 5 up to n. And now let's give it some style. So style start item. Let's create a style object item. Let's set the aspect ratio to 1 and width 100%, and this is going to be a string. So now you can see we are getting 5 images, but as we are creating infinite scroll, we need to dynamically populate this array to generate the numbers starting from 1 up to n. So for this, let's create a function called fetch more, which just populates data. So let's get the previous state. So we are using the spread operator to get the previous state up into the array. Now let's create an array dot from. Let's create a length of 20. So now what we are trying to do is adding 20 more items to the back of the current array. And now we'll do a map over it, and let's get the index. And now let's return I plus 1, because indexes are starting from 0 and we want to start from 1, and plus the length of the previous array. And now let's call this function when we are scrolling. For this, we just need to hook this function to the on end reached, and now let's pass that function and let's give it a try. As you can see, when we are reaching to the end of the list, we are calling for more items, which makes it infinite. Now let's append the item dynamically on the mount of the component. So for this, we need to remove this hard-coded array, and what we can do is use effect, and when the component mounts, let's call this function. So when we are mounting, we have 20 items already. As you can see, we are getting a warning, missing keys. So we can fix this by giving each and every item in the list a unique key. So as we are going with numbers to get those dynamic URL, so we can use the same number as the key. So we use the key extractor, and let's give it a key of what the number is. So as you can see, the warning is gone and we get this infinite scrolling list. Now let's give the list some style. So the style start list, and let's declare those style, give it a width of 100%, and let's give it a background color. Now let's make it a 3-column view. For this is pretty straightforward. We just need to define number of column as 3. We need to reload the app, and now what we can do is just define flex fun, and as you can see, we got an Instagram like looking list. But that's it for this tutorial. Hit the like button if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.